Standard 7. So welcome in our new session of SS. Here is our chapter 11 and we have completed this chapter in our textbook. So today we are doing Earth's internal composition and landform. Here first of all we are doing the MCQs. Number 1, on which of the following planet is a developed life found? Jupiter, Mars, Earth or Venus? So it's a C, Earth. What is the uppermost layer of the Earth's surface called as? It's a B, crust. What is the line just beneath Sima? D. It's a mantle. What is the core known as? It's a NiFe, nickel and ferrous. इसका means iron भी होता है. What is types of rock is basalt? It's a exclusive igneous rock. Which type of rock is granite? It's a inclusive igneous rock. Next is, which type of rock is sandstone? So it's a sedimentary or it's a stratified rock. It's a sandstone. Which rock is used to grind grains? It's a granite. Granite is used to grind grains. यहाँ जो हमारी घर घंटी आटा चक्की होती है उसमें समटाइम्स इसके पत्थर होते हैं. ओके. Which of the velocity of the wind decrease in desert? The soil particles are deposited on the land as hill-like structure. What is it called? The velocity of earth, velocity speed कम होती है और जो particles या soil particles होते हैं वो land पर as a hill-like structure बना देते हैं. उनको क्या बोलते हैं? वो होते हैं इस wedges and इसको sand dunes भी बोलते हैं. So it's a A. What is the level plains formed by the deposition of minute soil particle over a large area in the desert called? It's a B. It's a loess. Okay. Next is blanks. The innermost layer of the earth is known as? It's a NiFe, nickel and ferrous means iron. Dash is the thinnest layer of the earth. Is a crust. Number 3, the layer below SiAl is called SiMa. The innermost layer of the metal is core. The radius of the core is about 3,500 km. The core is also known as NiFe. इसको NiFe के नाम से भी जानते हैं. Basalt is an example of exclusive igneous rock. Granite is an example of inclusive igneous rocks. Dash stone is used to grind the grains. इस ग्रेनाइट सब मैच सब एक ही जैसे होते हैं जिससे कि आपको लर्न करने में ईजी हो. यही सब हमारे किस में थे? MCQ में थे. The process of transformation of rock from one type of another is called a rock cycle. There are different dash within the rocks. It's a minerals. The slow movement of dash, the cause change or surface of the earth is plate. Large turn of a river in the plain region are called? It's a windmills. The erosion and deposition by the sea waves from coastal is a landform. इसको मैंने अभी छोड़ दिया, ये बाद में करते हैं हमको. The wall-like landform formed due to marine erosion, यानी sea waves की वजह से क्या होता है? Stack. Dash shape valley is formed by glacier erosion. It's a U shape. When the velocity of wind decrease and soil particles are deposited on the land, it's called wedges or sand dunes. Next is true false. The surface of the continent is made up mostly of minerals like silica and alumina. It's true. The surface of continents is called SiAl. It's true. The layer below SiAl is called NiFe. It's false. The core of the earth is made up of mostly nickel and magnesium. It's a false. The core area of earth is called NiFe. It's again true. Basalt is an inclusive igneous rock. It's a false. Granite is an exclusive igneous rock. It's a false. Coal and mineral oil are two minerals useful as a fuel. It's a true. An earthquake can be predicted. It's a false. The deposition of the sediment by the sea on the shore forms sand beaches. It's a true. Wind is main agent of erosion and deposition in the desert. It's true. The branches of the shape of umbrella are found in the desert region. It's a false. Loosest plains are found in India. It's a false. Okay. Next matching में क्या है हमारा? The uppermost layer of the earth अपर मोस्ट लेयर ऑफ अर्थ क्या होती है? SiAr. मेट्रोफोटिक रॉक कौन सा है? इट्स अ मार्बल. वर्क ऑफ अ रिवर, इट्स अ फ्लड प्लेन. वर्क ऑफ अ विंड, work of a wind, what is it? It is a sand dunes. And erosional work of the glacier, it's a moraines. Now here section A and B. Exclusive igneous rocks, it's a basalt. Intrusive igneous rocks, it's a granite. Work of a river is a delta and work of a wind is basalt or sand dunes. नाउ हियर सम, आपको ये सब आपकी वर्कबुक में ही कंप्लीट करना है. एंड नाउ हियर सम क्वेश्चन आंसर्स. और विच प्लैनेट ऑफ द सोलर सिस्टम इज डेवलप्ड लाइफ फाउंड? ए. डेवलप्ड लाइफ इज फाउंड ऑन द प्लेट्स ऑफ द प्लैनेट अर्थ ऑफ द सोलर सिस्टम. हाउ आर द लेयर ऑफ अर्थ अरेंज? सो द अर्थ इज मेड अप ऑफ सेवरल लेयर विच आर अरेंज्ड वन ऑन टॉप ऑफ अनदर लाइक एन onion. What is called a crust? How is it? The uppermost layer of the earth's surface is called crust. It is the thinnest layer. Next is SiAr is mainly composed of which mineral? So SiAr is mainly composed of silica and aluminium mineral. Si means silica and Ar means aluminium. Why is the core of earth called NiFe? So the core of earth is made up of mainly nickels and precious. Nickel and nickel and Fe ferrous. How many are the main type of rocks? Which are they? So the three main type of rocks are igneous rocks, next is sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. What is meant by rock cycle? So under certain condition, one type of rock is changed into another type of rock. Thus the process of changing of one type of rock into another type of rock is called rock cycle. Which mineral are used as fuel? So mineral like coal, mineral oil, petroleum, natural gas, uranium, thorium, etc. are used as fuel. इन सबको एज ए फ्यूल यूज करते हैं. ओके, तो इस तरीके से हमको क्या करना है होमवर्क में? राइट क्वेश्चन आंसर in notebook. Okay, so we will meet again next session. Till then, goodbye. Thank you very much.